Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are showing you how to solve the system of equation with 7 power 8 minus 16y equals 0 and 4 power 8 minus 49y equals 0. Find the values of y minus 8. Okay, before we go to the solution, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting video. Okay, now we go to the solution together. The first step, I use the first equation and I take 16y to the right hand side. So now we get 7 power 8 equal 16y. And I let its first equation. And here is 4 power 8 minus 49y. We change 49y to the right hand side. We get 4 power 8 equal 49y. And I let it second equation. And now we take first equation divide second equation. So take first equation divide second equation. So we get 7 power 8 divide 4 power 8 equal, here is 16y divide 49y. And now, here is, we use the formula. If a power n divide b power n equal a divided by b whole to power n. And now, so we get, here is 7 and divide by 4 whole to power 8 equal, here is y, we simplify y, and we get 16 divided by 49, and 16 equal 4 square, and 49 equal 7 square. And then we get 7 divided by 4 whole to power 8. Look, here is 7 divided by 4. And here is 4 divided by 7. So we change 7 to the over and 4 to the under. So we get it's equal. Here is, we use the formula. If a is a power n, we change it to the over, we get 1 and divide by a power negative n. And if a power n, 1 divided by a power n, also if we change it to the over, we get a power negative n. Okay, now we get 4. Here it change to the over and 7 change to the is over, we get is 7 power negative 2, and 4 change to the ender, we get 4 and power negative 2. So we use like this, we use this formula, we get it's equal 7 and divide by 4 whole to power negative 2. And now look, it's the same basic. So we get h equal negative 2. So we get h equal negative 2. And now take h equal negative 2, replace in second equation. So if h equal negative 2, we get 4 power negative 2 equal 49y. And now we get this 4 power negative 2, we get 1 and divide by 4 square. And it's equal 49y. And we want to find the value of y. We multiply both sides of this equation with 49. And this also multiply with 1 divided by 49. And we simplify 49. We get here is equal y. And here is 4 square equal 16. And 16 times 49. We get 1 divided by 784. And now we get y. So we want to find the values of y minus 8. So we replace it. So y minus 8 equal 1 and divide by 784 and minus negative 2. And it's equal 1 divided by 784 and plus 2. So with equal, here is 1 and divide by 784 plus 2 times 784 and equal 1 plus 1,578 divided by 784. And it's equal 1,579 and divide by 784. So now thus we get the value of h of y minus h equal 1,579 and divide by 784 is our solution. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting video. Goodbye. See you next video.